Now let's begin painting the tree stem, and this also we are going to draw directly with the paintbrush. So use a brush that you're comfortable with. I'm using a medium sized brush. I think a 4 number should do for the drawing part. So first I just painted the thicker stem at the bottom, and then I added this branch slightly tapering or getting thinner towards the outer endings. All the branches are going to be that way. I'm using the reference to draw a few branches, and then on my own I will add branches can be any kind of shape, turn twisted anyhow. Make sure they are crooked. We don't want very straight branches. And then the smaller ones can be really thin, so that time you can change your brush to a 1 or a 2 number one. And make sure that all your branches end with a point, and they should not end blunt like a squarish look. So that's the kind of thing you need to practice. And if you're not very good with lines, you can take another rough sheet and practice some line work with a paintbrush of various sizes, and just draw a few lines on the paper, and you'll get a hang of it, and then you can start the tree on the final one. So now let's begin painting the tree leaf using a flat brush. I picked up black, and I'm completely gonna wipe it. I'm gonna wipe it on a paper or a newspaper, and then dab it. So I'm giving dry strokes, and that's the most important part. So pick color, dry it out on cloth and paper, and just very I don't want dabs which look like rectangles. They should be spaced out dab, like sponge like looking thing basically. And that's why we kind of dab out the excess paint and just give rough dabs on our final sheet. So looking at the reference, these dabs look lesser and they're more dense in the final painting. So I'm going to go on and add more dabs to this. And now that I look at the reference, the sky is much more darker than what I've done. But I can't do anything about it right now.